Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of paying your Apple Card bill quickly and easily. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your payment is made on time. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Begin by locating and opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where your Apple Card is stored and managed. Step 2. Select your Apple Card. Once the Wallet app is open, find and tap on your Apple Card. This will bring up your card details and payment options. Step 3. Tap on the Pay button. Look for the Pay button within the Apple Card interface. Tapping this will take you to the payment screen. Step 4. Choose your payment amount. You will see various payment options, including the minimum payment, your current balance, and the full statement balance. Choose the amount you wish to pay by tapping on the corresponding option or entering a custom amount. Step 5. Select your payment method. If you have multiple payment sources, select the bank account you want to use for this payment. Ensure that the account has sufficient funds to cover the payment. Step 6. Review your payment details. Before proceeding, review the payment details including the amount and payment method. Ensure everything is correct to avoid issues. Step 7. Confirm your payment. Tap on the Pay Now button to confirm your payment. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to finalize the transaction. Step 8. Receive confirmation. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation on your screen. You may also receive an email confirmation for your records. Remember, making timely payments on your Apple Card helps maintain your credit score and avoid interest charges. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.